You love finding adventure and seeing family, but that doesn't mean getting there has to be a sacrifice. Love eating in this beautiful town and country. Very nice, clean and nicely equipped. You'll wonder where the time went in your next road trip. Experience it for yourself. Schedule your test drive today. All vehicles come with a vehicle history report. P.O. 104.